What is going on, YouTube? Welcome back to another adventure with the bearded bobber. I'm bearded, she's the bobber, and feels good to be back out on the bike. Let me correct though, I have been on the bike. I went and rode a bunch of Harleys today, which you guys are going to catch those demo rides here and there the next couple months. But can you see my visor? It's fucking covered in bugs. Oh man, all over. You know what that means? Riding season is in full swing. That's what I'm taking it as. Now, what I want to talk about today, since riding season seems to be back in, bikes are out, it's gorgeous. Most likely, if you don't currently ride or haven't ridden, you're thinking, I'm gonna go get my motorcycle license and I'm gonna go get me an Indian Scout bobber and I'm gonna go crazy. It's a little bike and let's do this. Well, don't say that about the bobber or the Scout or the Scout 60. I like where your head's at though, alright? And I'm just kidding. There's all the Harleys and Vulcans and everything else, okay? Now, what I do want to talk about is your next step to getting your license and what you should do. I'm not trying to tell you what to do, but I'm going to tell you what I did and what I wish I would have done. I wish I would have went straight for my motorcycle course. You know, do not fast go, do not collect $200. No, I wish I would have went straight to the course. You know, I went and got my permit. I put like 2,000 miles on my bike, and then I took the course. That first day was pretty scary, and yeah, I got the hang of it. Yeah, I put the bike on its side, but the tricks that I could have had from the motorcycle course would have been tremendous. I could have sat on their little bikes. I got to mess with their little bikes. I got to use 17 to 45 years of experience from my trainers, which I do every day now. Justin and Bubba from the SoCal motorcycle training course, two fantastic guys, and I'm very thankful they were my trainers. Justin unfortunately is no longer with us, but you know, every twist of the throttle and every sunset and every flower, you know, he really is here with us. He had a beautiful soul, all right? But back on track, he would want me to tell you the same thing. Go take the motorcycle course. They're there to make sure you come home alive to your family. Now, that being said, you're going to learn a lot of tricks there. You're going to learn a lot of stuff. Find your local motorcycle deal or course. Get with the time. Get with this stuff. It's going to save you on insurance also in the long run. It's going to also possibly save your life. Now, I'm not here one to normally preach to you guys in my opinion and stuff like that, besides, you know, me loving this bike. But I really believe in this and I really want everybody to take it to heart. My brother's thinking about getting into riding and I'm telling him the exact same thing. When Bombshell started riding, she took the course, took it from the same people. So tips. I'm going to give you some tips on what to expect when you go. First off, have the right gear. Have the right boots. Have the right pants. Make sure nothing has holes in them. Get the right gloves. Wear something cool, you know, like don't get crazy. Like I did this in like 95-degree weather and I wish it would have been raining, but it wasn't. So what you're gonna want to do is bring plenty of water. Stay hydrated. Make sure you eat a good breakfast. You know, bring a healthy lunch. Go get a healthy lunch during your break. Whatever it takes. Now, if you're in a hotter area, like when I was in 95, day 2, I went back day 2. using all my new tips because I didn't know them before. Day 1 I did have an ice chest and I had a lot of fluids. You know what day 2 I had? I had a cooling towel and a cooling rag that went on my head. So they went in the ice chest. New ones came out. I threw them on. I had a cooling towel around my neck while I was on my break. These are things to think about. Staying cool and healthy while you're there. You know, plan accordingly to the weather. That's what I'm telling you guys. Those are the biggest tips I can give you. Study. Listen. Listen is the biggest thing. Listen to your instructors. They're not there to make you feel bad. They're to make sure that you come home alive. And I think that's a really big deal. It's very important. Those guys made me a better rider, and now, you know, a year later, I've ridden over 20 bikes, and I've put like over 10,000 miles down on 2 wheels. And I'm very happy about it, and I plan on doing a lot more. Well, the whole time I'm gonna hear dude in my head telling me to look through the turn, you know? Make sure I'm using my brake correctly, using my clutch to my advantage. What the... Look, you never know what somebody's gonna do. Like, keep your eyes open. Listen to the instructors while you're there, okay? I had a few guys at mine. They're like, what are you doing? How are you doing that? You know, like, of course I had 2,000 miles under. They all thought I had been riding for a long time, and I hadn't. I took exactly what the instructor told me to do, and I did it. And I wanted to go a little bit faster. And when they told us we could go faster, you know, I wanted to make sure I was ready for every single step. Don't get embarrassed. You know, they're there to help you. You have questions, ask the questions. I don't know. If you guys have any other questions on the matter, let me know. Also, you can check out Dan the Fireman's channel. He's actually doing this stuff now, and he'll probably have all kinds of different tip videos. Sorry. On the subject. So I think that's a good thing. Always, you know, you're always learning. Stay focused. You know, don't go beyond your means when it comes to certain things. You know, don't get too comfortable. Don't like block yourself from being able to do other shit. I just got done riding a 117 cubic inch Harley dresser. It's all up to you, you know, but you got to be comfortable, you got to be confident. You can also be overconfident, and that can be bad as well. Alright guys, let me know if you've taken the motorcycle course, if you're thinking about learning how to ride. Maybe there's something that I missed, maybe you have a question. Ask me in the comments, DM me on Instagram. The Bearded Bobber, well, Bearded Bobber, okay? That's my Instagram, all one word. Hit me up. Hell, give me a follow if you're not following me, you know? I post cool stuff. But other than that, you guys, sun's a setting, and I'm getting my butt home. It's been a good day. I hope you guys had a good day as well. So, like always, YouTube, stay safe, stay classy.